Okay, this week we are talking about Dalton's law of partial pressure. Dalton's law of partial pressure states that the sum of the pressures exerted by each individual gas of a mixture is equal to the total pressure exerted by the mixture. So what does that really mean? It means that the sum of the parts equals the whole. And so here's the equation. The total pressure is equal to the pressure of the first gas plus the second gas plus the third gas to as many gases as you have in the mixture. Okay, so let's work through some problems. A metal tank contains three gases, oxygen, helium, and nitrogen. If the partial pressure of the three gases in the tanks are 35 for oxygen, so 35 for oxygen, ATM, and 5 for nitrogen, and 25 for helium, then our total pressure is 35 plus 5 plus 25, or 65 ATM. Next one. If a tank has three gases, nitrogen, oxygen, and hydrogen, and the partial pressures of hydrogen is 30 kilopascals, and for oxygen it is 4.5 kilopascals, and for nitrogen it is 7 kilopascals, then our total pressure is 30 plus 7 plus 4.5. So 41.5. Make sure you keep your units. In this case, we're talking about kilopascals. Number 3, a blast furnace gives off many unpleasant and unhealthy gases. If the total air pressure is 0.99, so our total is 0.99 ATMs. The partial pressure of carbon dioxide is 0.05, and the partial pressure of hydrogen is 0.02, and we want to know the remaining air, so that part is our unknown. 0.05 plus 0.02 is 0.07, so 0.99 equals 0.07 plus PA. Subtract 0.07 from both sides. So those go away, minus 0.07. So you should have 0.92 ATMs. Make sure you don't lose your units, particularly if you are in AP or pre-AP and watching this. Do not lose your units. Make sure you always give your units. Okay, so put the video on pause, try this one on your own, and then when you're done, go ahead and turn the video back on and see if you arrived at the correct answer. 3, 2, 1, pause. Okay, so welcome back. Hopefully this is easy enough. The pressure of a mixture of nitrogen, carbon, and oxygen is 150. So the total is 150. And this says, what is the partial pressure of oxygen? So oxygen is our unknown. And it says carbon dioxide is 100 kilopascals. And nitrogen is 24. Oh, I did that backwards. 100 kilopascals and 24 kilopascals. So that should be 124 plus PO equals 150. Subtract 124 both sides. And you have 26 kilopascals for oxygen. Okay, this concludes this week's lesson on Dalton's Law. Y'all have a great week, and I look forward to talking to you soon. Thank you, and have a good day.